are going to be adding the revisions to the Riga greenhouse. How the roof window goes together now, the corners are supplied, have these supplied corner connectors. They also go together with the L brackets. The other way, there was a 45-degree. That's going to be in your original video. This is in the add-on. First off, you want to take the top piece, put it up at the top. This will be your bottom piece. First off, you want to thread 2 bolts into the bottom piece for the automatic opener. Now we're going to assemble the roof window using our new plastic corner pieces. First, you want to insert the aluminum L bracket. Then you want to slide in the plastic corner piece, making note that you do not knock it on the table because you can bend and break this end. It's better if you just give it a light tap with the hammer and it will go in very easily. Then, take this piece with your bottom rung, line the 2 up, and tap in. Then when those 2 pieces are lined up correctly, take your supplied Allen wrench and tighten down the aluminum corner piece. Now we will move on to the other side. The other side, insert your aluminum L bracket, insert the plastic corner piece, making sure you don't hammer it on the table because that will break the end of it. Lightly tap it in, and then insert in the bottom window piece. Tighten down the aluminum L bracket with the supplied Allen wrench. Then the lower part of the door frame is assembled. Now we're going to install the polycarbonate panel into the roof window frame. After you've built your lower frame, take your polycarbonate window, piece with the white stripe out, insert it into the grooves on either side of the lower window frame. Now we're going to install the top piece to the roof window. Make sure you've already installed your plastic corner brackets and your aluminum L brackets. Start one end first, lining up with the holes in the vertical bars here. And then start the other side so everything's a little loose and it makes it easier to line things up. And hammer it down on, making sure not to use the head of the hammer in the wood so you don't scar the aluminum, and also try not to bang on the plastic because it's possible it could break. Then once you have all the corners flush and everything looks fine, tighten the Allen wrenches, the Allen heads on the aluminum L brackets. And the roof window is finished.